Something unusual is happening inside USCIS right now, and it's giving real hope to thousands of applicants. After months of silence and uncertainty, case approvals are finally speeding up again. This is Immiscope, your trusted source for U.S. immigration news, policy changes, and visa updates. For years, immigrants have checked their case status daily, hoping for any sign of movement. They refreshed the USCIS portal, emailed service centers, and waited for answers that rarely came. But as November 2025 ends, the trend is shifting. Across several immigration categories, USCIS is now making measurable progress. Processing times are improving. Decision rates are rising. For many who have waited since early 2024, there's finally reason to feel encouraged. In this video, we'll break down what's improving inside USCIS, how it affects green cards, work permits, and citizenship cases, and why this moment matters. USCIS speeds up decisions. Across the country, attorneys and applicants are noticing faster approvals. After years of frustration, cases are finally moving. According to USCIS's November 2025 performance report, decision rates have increased by roughly 18% since midsummer. That's a major shift after months of stagnation. Cases that once sat untouched for a year are now being approved in just a few months. The agency credits this improvement to several new steps taken this fall. It expanded digital file sharing between field offices. More officers were assigned to service centers with high case volumes, and renewals that didn't require new interviews were routed through a simplified review system. Together, these changes are helping officers make faster decisions without sacrificing accuracy. Green card and family petition updates. If you file Form I-485 for adjustment of status or an I-130 family petition, you may already be seeing results. Many family-based cases that once took 16 to 18 months are now reaching decisions within 12 to 14 months. Some service centers are moving even faster. Employment-based categories like EB-2 and EB-3 are also showing improvement. There are fewer idle files and shorter gaps between approval and card production. For many workers, that means getting their green card sooner and planning their next steps without uncertainty. Work permit renewals moving faster. When USCIS ended the 540-day automatic work permit extension in late October, many applicants panicked. They feared losing jobs or facing long employment gaps. But the agency seemed prepared. USCIS began fast-tracking renewals filed before the cutoff date. Applicants who submitted I-765 renewals in early fall are now getting approvals within 60 to 75 days. Earlier this year, it took closer to 100 days. This acceleration means fewer people are stuck waiting and more can maintain legal work authorization without interruption. Citizenship applications show progress. Even naturalization applicants are benefiting from faster processing. Field offices across several states have nearly doubled their interview scheduling rate. USCIS says it aims to reduce the national average processing time for 400 citizenship applications to under 9 months by mid-2026. That goal hasn't seemed realistic in years. Until now. Why it's happening now? This sudden progress didn't appear out of nowhere. Over the summer, Congress put strong pressure on USCIS to address record-high backlogs. Lawmakers from both parties called the delays unacceptable, especially after pandemic disruptions and years of slow processing. In response, USCIS received temporary funding to hire more officers and modernize its systems. This allowed faster data transfers, better tracking tools, and fewer manual reviews. The results are visible now: shorter wait times and improved decision consistency across categories. global improvements through consulates. The National Visa Center and the Department of State are also aligning with USCIS to reduce delays overseas. Major consulates, including Manila, Mumbai, and Ciudad Juárez, have added more appointment slots through December. Thousands of immigrant visa applicants who've waited since 2023 are finally getting interview notifications. Parents separated from their children for years are seeing progress. Spouses stuck in ready-for-interview status are now moving forward. The changes may not be dramatic everywhere, but they're real and they're spreading. What still needs improvement? Not every case is moving quickly. Some service centers continue to struggle with heavy workloads. In categories limited by annual visa caps, such as F3, married children of U.S. citizens, and F4, siblings, still face long waits. Even so, USCIS's improved petition processing speed helps reduce bottlenecks that affect later stages. The faster initial forms move, the more efficiently the rest of the system can operate. What to expect next? As we move into December 2025 and early 2026, here's what applicants can expect. If your case has been pending since 2024 or early 2025, keep checking your USCIS case tracker. Many applicants will start seeing updates before year's end. If you've received a request for evidence, RFE, respond quickly. Files returned with complete documentation are being decided faster than ever. And if you're preparing to file a new petition, make sure every document is accurate and complete. Right now, efficiency is high, and mistakes could delay your case while others move ahead. What this means for immigrants. This progress is more than just statistics. It's real change for families, workers, and future citizens. After years of slowdowns, applicants are finally able to plan again. Faster processing means people can book flights, reunite with loved ones, and start new jobs with confidence. It also restores a small but powerful sense of stability after years of uncertainty. Yes, challenges remain. Visa retrogression, policy shifts, and yearly quotas continue to shape the immigration landscape. But these improvements show that when pressure, funding, and technology align, the system can work better. Every approval matters. Every interview scheduled means another step closer to normalcy. Every reunited family reminds us that behind every case number is a real story, a life waiting to move forward. After years of delays and frustration, USCIS is finally catching up. Decision rates are up, backlogs are shrinking, and applicants are seeing approvals that once felt out of reach. If you've been waiting, stay alert and prepared. This may be the best moment in years to see your case move forward. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching Immiscope. See you in the next video.